Do you ever need to keep your PC awake while you're not there? You can use Awake module in PowerToys to do that. Let's check out how. The Awake module of PowerToys is super simple. You have several modes which you can use. The default one is as if Awake module was not running. So if you have your PC to turn off in a specific time, it will turn off. But if you switch to keep awake indefinitely, it will stay awake forever until you turn it off. You can also keep it awake for a specific time interval, or you can keep it awake for until a specific date and time. And there is always a second option where you can select if you want to also keep the screen on or off. So if you keep this toggle off, your PC will stay awake, but the screen will be able to turn off as well. But if you turn this toggle on, it will keep your screen on and your PC on as well. So it's gonna be all on until your specified date and time. And if you want to be even more flexible, you can use this utility even from the system tray. So you can find it here with the coffee icon. You can right click and select a specific time interval or keep awake indefinitely. And you can also control it via automation that you built using the command line interface. So there is documentation for this quite detailed on Microsoft Learn. I will send the link in the description so you can check it out there. So that was the Awake module of PowerToys. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. And until the next video, bye bye.